Imagine working hard every single day, but no matter how much you earn, you feel like you are stuck in the same place. For millions of people, the problem is not the amount of money they make. It is the mistakes they repeat with money. These mistakes are invisible traps, keeping ordinary people poor while the wealthy move further ahead. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the financial strategies and money lessons that can change your future. Mistake 1. Living on credit. Instead of cash, one of the biggest traps is relying on credit cards and loans for everyday expenses. It feels easy. Swipe the card today, worry about payment tomorrow. But interest rates turn small purchases into massive debts. Instead of working for yourself, you are working for the bank. Billionaires use credit to invest in assets. Ordinary people use credit to buy liabilities. That difference is what keeps many stuck in the cycle of debt. Mistake 2. Spending more as income grows. This is known as lifestyle inflation. When someone gets a raise, instead of saving or investing, they buy a new car, a bigger house, or the latest phone. Every extra dollar earned is matched by an extra dollar spent. This means no matter how much income rises, wealth never grows. The wealthy know that when income increases, investments should increase first, not expenses. Mistake 3. Ignoring emergency savings. Most people live one paycheck away from financial disaster. An unexpected medical bill, car repair, or job loss can push them into crippling debt. Without an emergency fund, people are forced to borrow at the worst possible times. Wealthy individuals build a safety net first, ensuring that no crisis can destroy their financial stability. Mistake 4. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Many people lose money by falling for promises of fast wealth, lottery tickets, gambling, fake online businesses, or too-good-to-be-true investments. The truth is that wealth rarely comes overnight. Billionaires build wealth through patience, discipline, and consistency. When people chase shortcuts, they usually end up poorer than when they started. Mistake 5. Not investing. Early time is the most powerful asset when it comes to building wealth. Many people delay investing, thinking they will start one day when they have more money. But every year wasted is a year of compounding growth lost. Those who start small but early often end up richer than those who start late with larger amounts. The wealthy understand this and begin investing as soon as possible, letting time multiply their money. Mistake 6. Depending on a single source of income. Most people rely entirely on one paycheck. If that paycheck disappears, their entire financial life collapses. This creates vulnerability and constant stress. Wealthy individuals build multiple streams of income: investments, businesses, real estate, royalties. Even if one stream fails, the others protect them. Diversification is the shield against poverty. Mistake 7. Neglecting financial education. Schools rarely teach real financial skills, so most people grow up without understanding how money works. As adults, they repeat the same mistakes: overspending, bad debt, poor investments. Wealthy people, on the other hand, read books, study markets, follow mentors, and never stop learning about money. Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you understand, the richer your decisions become. Mistake 8. Spending to impress others. Many people waste money trying to look rich. Expensive clothes, cars, and gadgets they cannot afford. This creates the illusion of wealth while building hidden debt. The wealthy do not need to prove themselves with possessions. They let their assets speak for them. Trying to impress others is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Mistake 9. Ignoring retirement and the future. Too many people focus only on today and ignore tomorrow. They spend every dollar without planning for retirement, medical needs, or old age. By the time they realize it, it is often too late. Wealthy individuals always plan decades ahead. They invest with the future in mind, ensuring they never depend on luck or government aid. Mistake 10. Believing income equals wealth. A high salary does not guarantee financial freedom. Many doctors, lawyers, and professionals earn large incomes, but remain broke because they spend everything they make. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It is about how much you keep and grow. True financial freedom comes from building assets, not just chasing paychecks. Conclusion. These are the biggest financial mistakes that keep people poor. Living on credit, chasing quick wealth, neglecting savings, and spending to impress others trap millions in cycles of stress and debt. The difference between the poor and the wealthy is not just income, it is decisions. The good news is that anyone can change. By avoiding these mistakes and adopting smarter habits, financial freedom is possible. If you found this eye-opening, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more strategies, stories, and secrets that can transform your financial future. And let us know in the comments, which of these mistakes do you think is the most dangerous?